Teyi Machinery Co. Ltd. is a professional manufacturer dedicated to the development and production of high-performance tube processing equipment. Our product range includes tube bending machines, tube cutting machines, tube shrinking machines, and forming machines, chamfering machines, circular mouth machines, aluminum cutting machines, gear grinding machines, and related accessories, providing comprehensive solutions for various industrial processing needs. Driven by innovation and supported by a scientific quality management system, we continuously improve our manufacturing capabilities to ensure every machine delivers reliable performance, stable operation, and long-term durability. From design and production to quality inspection and delivery, every step follows strict standards to guarantee precision, efficiency, and consistent product quality. At Teyi Machinery, we believe that excellent products are built not only with advanced technology, but also with responsibility and commitment to our customers. Our machines are designed with user-friendly operation, stable performance, and cost-effective value, helping customers improve productivity while reducing operational costs. With professional technical support, competitive pricing, and efficient service, we continue to provide trusted solutions for customers worldwide, focused on quality, driven by innovation, committed to customer success. Teyi Machinery Co. Limited, delivering reliable tube processing solutions for modern manufacturing industries. Looking for efficient and reliable tube processing equipment for your production line? Leave your questions in the comments, and our team will be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel for more industrial machinery insights, factory production updates, and tube processing solutions. Let's build smarter manufacturing together.